Welcome to another Tommy Turvo Minute. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to receive personalized notifications from Turvo. Turvo's intuitive interface works seamlessly across all devices and looks and operates the same. Turvo allows you to receive personalized notifications by email, mobile notification, and/or SMS mobile text message. When specific events happen, say when a shipment is running late or a driver uploads a POD, you'll get an email, text, and/or mobile notification. Over the weekend, you'll know precisely when a shipment has been delivered. There's no need to pack your PC or keep checking your email. Sit back, relax, and wait for the news to come to you. Log into Turvo, go right to your profile, click on notifications, set your notifications however you like. You have many options: notification by email, mobile notification, and/or SMS text message. This is just another great way to reduce the email clutter and get rid of the phone calls. Let Turvo do the work for you. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.